You can expect a lot from the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.